Okay, so guys, welcome over here, and today we're gonna fix this problem. So what you have to do to fix this problem is to first go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it. So tap on the settings app. Then now, when you get to your settings app or when it opens, tap on app and notifications. Now wait for it to load, and after loading, you're going to see your apps. So tap on the see your apps and wait for it to load, and after loading you are going to see all your apps listed over here. So what you have to do is to scroll to search for your X or Twitter app. So if you can't find it, or if your apps are a lot as mine, what you have to do is to tap on the search bar over here, then you type in X and you are going to see X over here. So it's not appearing. Let me type in Twitter. No, capital X. Let me see where I'm going to find it over here. Okay, so this is it. Then you tap on it. Then after that, tap on the full stop. Then you tap on OK. After that, tap on notifications. Then tap on show notifications. Make sure it's toggled on like this, as you are seeing over here. Then go back now, and what you have to do after going back is to tap on permissions and make sure you allow the camera, contact, location, microphone, phone, and storage. After allowing every permission, tap on storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then you make sure your background data is toggled on. After that, go to your Google Play Store and try to search for Twitter or X. So after searching for Twitter or X, what you have to do is to tap on it when it opens. Then you tap on update over here. So after updating your Twitter or X, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, and you're going to see a pop-up. Then you tap on restart to restart your device. So now tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video.